Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Binance ID. Your Binance user ID is a unique number that identifies your account on the platform. This ID is essential for various reasons, such as contacting customer support or participating in certain promotions. Knowing where to find it quickly can save you time and hassle. Let's dive into the simple steps to locate your personal Binance user ID right now. If you're using the desktop version, the process is straightforward. First, log into your Binance account on the official website. Once logged in, simply move your mouse cursor over your profile icon, which is usually located in the top right corner of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear, and your unique user ID will be clearly visible there. It's that simple to find on your computer. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful content. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized, whether you're trading or just busy. Check the description below for the link to these containers and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. For those using the Binance mobile app, finding your user ID is just as easy. Open the Binance application on your smartphone or tablet. Then, tap on the profile icon, which you'll usually find in the top left corner of your screen. Once you tap it, your personal user ID will be prominently displayed right at the top of the profile page. This makes it super convenient to access on the go. Your Binance user ID is more than just a number. It's a key to your account's identity within the Binance ecosystem. When you need assistance from customer support, providing this ID helps them quickly locate your account and address your concerns. It's also frequently used for participating in exclusive promotions or events. Remember, always keep your password private, but your user ID can be shared when required for support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.